If you're watching this, you've probably just been scrolling for a while, or maybe you actually want to learn something. You watch these videos all day, but have you ever thought of making one?
There are thousands of videos that you scroll through every day, but I bet you don't appreciate the effort that goes into making these short videos. If you're going to spend so much time watching videos, then maybe try making one.
Step 1, open your camera.
Step 2, adjust the tripod base so that the object or person you're recording is in frame. This can depend on what camera shot you're recording. Step 3, attach your camera to the tripod by making sure it clicks in after pulling the flip lock. Step 4, loosen the pan lock and tilt lock to make the movement for the shots easier. Step 5, use the gray sliding key called the wide angle and telephoto to zoom in and out. Make sure your person/object you are filming is in frame where you want it to be. Whether or not you use a microphone, we'll explain those anyways. The lavalier microphone, first turn it on, along with the source, by then clipping the source to the camera by its clip. Step 6. Depending on what type of clip you are taking, when using the handheld microphone, you want to plug it into the camera. Step 7. The XLR wire used for the shotgun microphone should be plugged into the microphone port. Step 8. Depending on where you're standing in the clip, using a shotgun microphone will capture the majority of the noise. After recording your clips, you're going to switch over to your computer. Step 9. Import all your clips that you're going to edit. Place the clip into a separate window of Adobe. Step 11. Using the braces, start the in brace at where the subject starts talking and end the out brace where the subject finishes talking. Step 12. Now open the editing tab, drag and drop that newly edited clip into the sequence, along with the other clips. This is now your rough draft. Step 13. Open the effects tab and drag and drop video transitions you want to use to make your clips blend into each other. Step 14. This part is optional, but many pre-made graphics are imported into Adobe. You can use these to make your video look professional, along with text and other effects can be used. Step 15. After finishing everything, you are now done and have a video worth watching.